The wisdom of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, a story of justice and fairness. During the time of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, the people of Mecca were once faced with a serious dispute. The sacred Kaaba was being reconstructed, and the time had come to place the Hajar-i-Aswad, black stone, back in its position. Each tribe wanted the honor of placing the stone, and the disagreement almost led to a violent conflict. To resolve the matter, the leaders decided to seek the judgment of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, known for his wisdom and honesty. The Prophet, PBUH, listened carefully to each side and then proposed a fair solution. He spread his cloak on the ground, placed the black stone on it, and asked the chiefs of each tribe to hold the edges of the cloak. Then, he himself picked up the stone and placed it in its rightful position. This act of wisdom and fairness prevented bloodshed and ensured unity among the tribes. It also showed how justice, intelligence, and patience could resolve even the most difficult conflicts. The people of Mecca were amazed by the Prophet's wisdom and leadership, further proving why he was truly Al-Amin, the trustworthy, and Al-Sadiq, the truthful.